Musfi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a pop-out card. For this pop-out card, you just need a color paper, a normal paper, a glue stick, scissors. First, you just need to fold your card like this, or your paper or your color paper. Then decorate these back, front and inside. After you decorate your card with your creativity, just make just write the subject over here. For whom are you making, or for what are you making? Like happy birthday, happy new year. I'm making for Diwali. I'm writing happy Diwali. And then next, you just need some photos of it. I have one Dia photo and this photo. So for that, I told you before to take a normal paper. Just cut a fat strip of it. And then just fold it like this. And then take one end of this strip and glue it with one picture. And then just do it like this again, and then just put a glue over here, a little bit of glue, and then stick the photo wherever you want to do. Do the same method for the other photo also. And then there you go. There you get your pop-out card. Now give this to your friend or anybody for whom are you wishing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.